Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update transit scores with move.com detailed guide step by step clearly. To update transit scores with move.com, start by accessing the move.com website. Locate the transit scores section on the home page. If you do not see it immediately, use the search bar to find it. Once you're in the transit scores section, review the current scores for your area. These scores reflect the accessibility of public transportation options nearby. To update a score, look for an option labeled Update Transit Score. Click on this option to initiate the score update process. You may be prompted to enter your property details, such as the address and type of property. Fill in all required fields accurately to ensure proper updates. After entering the details, you will find a list of nearby transit options. Review this list to confirm that all relevant transportation services are included. If any services are missing, you can add them manually. Look for an Add Transit Service button within the interface. Click this button and input the required information for each service. Ensure the details include the service name, type, and operating hours. Once all information is entered, double-check for accuracy. This step helps maintain the integrity of the transit score. After verification, proceed to submit the updates. You will receive a confirmation message upon successful submission. The updated transit scores may take some time to reflect on the website. Check back in a few days to see the updated scores. If there are any issues, revisit the transit scores section for assistance. Support options may include an FAQ or a customer service contact. Keep your property's information current to ensure accurate scoring. Regularly updating transit scores can enhance your property's visibility and attractiveness. For further details or advanced features, explore additional resources on move.com. You've now completed the steps to update transit scores with move.com. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.